If you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering which programming languages are worth your time. Whether you're just getting started in coding or you're a seasoned developer looking to add to your skill set, knowing the top programming languages to learn is crucial to staying ahead in the tech game. Stay to the end because I'll be sharing the fastest way to learn a new programming language with some pro tips that will save your time and frustration. Let's dive into the top 5 programming languages you should be learning. Starting off our list at number 5 is Go, also known as Golang. Developed by Google, Go is designed for simplicity and performance, making it the top choice for building scalable high-performance applications. In 2024, Go continues to gain momentum, particularly in cloud-native development and microservices. Why should you learn Go? For one, its clean and straightforward syntax is a breath of fresh air, especially if you're used to more verbose languages. Go's concurrency model is perfect for handling tasks like web service and database efficiency. And with more companies embracing cloud infrastructure, the demand for Go developers is on the rise. If you're aiming to work in backend development, DevOps or cloud engineering, Go is definitely a language you want to consider adding to your toolkit. At number 4, we have TypeScript, a language that's become almost essential for modern web development. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, adding static types to help catch errors early in the development process. This makes your code more reliable and easier to maintain, especially as your project grows in complexity. In 2024, TypeScript is not just an optional add-on, but a go-to choice for many developers working with frameworks like Angular, React, and Vue. Its strong type system makes large-scale applications much more manageable. And with the ever-increasing complexity of web apps, TypeScript's popularity is only going to rise. If you're serious about web development, learning TypeScript will give you significant edge in building robust, scalable applications. Taking the third spot is Rust, a language that has earned a reputation for safety, speed, and concurrency. Rust is particularly known for its ability to prevent common programming errors like null pointer, dereferencing, and buffer overflows, making it a favorite among systems programmers. But Rust isn't just for low-level systems programming anymore. In 2024, it's making its way into new areas like WebAssembly, blockchain development, and even game development. With its performance close to C and C++ and a much safer memory model, Rust is increasingly being chosen for projects where reliability and performance are critical. If you're looking to dive into systems programming, or you're interested in exploring the cutting edge of technology like blockchain and WebAssembly, Rust is a must-learn language this year. Coming in at number 2 is Python, a language that needs no introduction. Python's simplicity and readability have made it a top choice for beginners and experts alike. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is incredibly powerful and versatile, making it the go-to language for data science, AI, web development, and more. In 2024, Python's role in AI machine learning continues to expand, with libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn leading the charge. It's also widely used for web development with frameworks like Django and Flask, and for automation scripting that can save you hours of manual work. Whether you're interested in AI, data science, web development, or even just automating everyday tasks, Python is a language that will continue to be in high demand. And finally, the number 1 programming language to learn in 2024 is JavaScript. As the backbone of the web, JavaScript remains the most versatile language you can learn, from front-end development with frameworks like React and Vue to back-end development with Node.js and even mobile and desktop apps. JavaScript does it all. JavaScript's ecosystem is enormous, with a vast array of libraries and tools that make it indispensable for modern development. In 2024, as web applications become more complex and interactive, JavaScript's role will only grow stronger. If you want to be a full-stack developer or if you're interested in building anything for the web, JavaScript is the language you simply cannot ignore. Alright, now that we've covered the top 5 programming languages to learn, let me tell you the best way to learn these languages quickly and effectively. The answer might surprise you, it's all about building real projects with the help of AI tools. Today we have access to powerful AI-driven coding assistant. They can guide you through the learning process. Tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT can help you write code, debug issues, and even suggest improvements in real time. By creating your own project, whether it's a simple website, a data analysis script, or a mobile app, you'll not only learn the syntax and features of these languages, but also gain hands-on experience that's invaluable. These AI tools act like a mentor who's always here to help you, making the learning curve less steep and more enjoyable. Start small with personal projects like a portfolio, then gradually increase the complexity as you become more comfortable. This project-based learning enhanced by AI is the fastest and most effective way to master any program language. So pick a language, start a project, and let AI help you along the way. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can learn and create something awesome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.